Welcome to today's tutorial on opening Word documents in Google Docs. Whether you're transitioning from Microsoft Word or need to access a Word file quickly, we will show you how. Let's get started. 1. Sign into Google Drive. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account. 2. Upload your Word document. Click on the New button. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Choose the Word document you want to open in Google Docs. 3. Open with Google Docs. Once the file is uploaded, right-click on it, choose Open with, and select Google Docs. Your Word document will now open in Google Docs, where you can view, edit, and collaborate. Congratulations! You've learned how to open Word documents in Google Docs. Now you can seamlessly work across platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.